This eyes look droopy and sad. And it is no eye shade is visible, and this eye looks like lifted, and it's like, you know, giving that look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. So I'm back again today with a new video where I'm going to tell you makeup hacks and tricks which you can adapt in order to make your eyes look lifted and enhance your makeup look as well. The first tip is to always fill in your eyebrows. I've already done it, but you can use a pencil like an eyebrow pencil, or I mostly use this brow gel, which is the Incredi brow gel. It does not need any other pencil. You just apply this onto your eye because it already has a small like mascara wand, so you don't need anything extra with it. But otherwise you can just use any pencil to fill it up, and always brush your hair up. Like this is, I didn't do this one, so brush your hair upwards. You have to enhance your arch a bit, okay, like this, and then to angle it, just lightly tame your arch like this. You can see the difference in both the eyebrows, like this is a bit higher and this is a bit low. So again, over here, just lift the arch up, like brush your hair upwards like this, upwards, and then so that it doesn't look like bushy or anything, just take your finger lightly, very lightly, and just tame the hair down a bit so that they're not looking like literally brushed up. And this is how it's done. So you have enhanced your arch. Now how most people apply their eye shade is like this. They just start to apply it from their inner corner, like on the whole lid. Now this is going to actually make your eye look smaller, and because if you have hooded eyes like me, then if you open your eye, you are not going to see any eyeshadow anywhere. Like all of it is going to be hidden because you've applied it literally on your eyelid, like all of the socket where you can feel your eye, you've applied it over there. But when you open your eyes, your eyeshadow is like vanished. You don't have any eyeshadow anymore. So over here I'm going to do it in the way that you should be doing it. So take a shade, any like brown shade or anything, and just look straight into the mirror. I'm taking a mirror right here. Look straight into the mirror. What you do is apply your eye shade on top of here. Like you see, this is my crease, like this is the crease. Don't go ahead and be tempted to apply in here. Apply on this area on top, which you can see. Okay, just see straight into the mirror. Take the brush and just start to swipe the color from the inner corner towards the outer corner, like this, from here to here. And don't stop right over here. Just take it a little further, like this. Just consider that you're blending it upwards a bit, like towards your temple area, but don't like literally take it up. Just apply it a little over here, okay? Brush twice or thrice over here. Just blend it. You can see the color, right? So this is the shade. Then take the same shade and make a little V. Like I'm not taking anything on the brush, but I'm just using the same brush, and from the corner I'm just making a V towards my upper lash line, okay, like this. So this has made a V of the eye shade. Like this, okay? Now this has definitely changed the look of the eye. If you can see, it has definitely changed the look of my eye. Now what you need to do is take a little darker shade than you've taken already, and apply it on the outer corner, like the corner that you've made, like this. Apply it over there, still keeping it on the higher above, like higher than the crease, like this, just on the outer corner, and bring it towards your lower lash line, like you made the V. 1 2 1 2. Okay, and just remember you're blending it a little higher as well, like this. In the end, just take the brush a little out. Okay, it's very light feathery motions. Take it a little out as well. I am not applying any darker shade on my inner corner or on the inner side of my eye is because it is going to make your eye, like it is going to shut your eye down, like it is going to make your eye smaller. But I want to give it a like bigger eye look, like an enhanced eye look. So what I do is that I just keep the dark eye at the outer edge so that it can give it like a little bit of, you know, depth. That's why we apply a darker shade at the outer corner, so that it can give it a little depth. Don't be tempted to put like the darker shade I've put here. Don't be tempted to take it all the way in. You don't need to take it all the way in. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know if I recorded this bit or not, but I'm doing it again. I already applied a shimmer on the inner corner, but what you need to do is that where you didn't apply the shimmer on the inner corner, just take a shimmer and apply it with your finger. Just take it to the like towards your eye shade, where you have started your eye shade, like meet it to the line of the eye shade on top of it. By doing that, you're making sure that your shimmer is even higher than your actual crease. So you know, you see if I open my eye, you can still see that there is a shimmer here because you can see it on top of the crease as well. So this is the reason of applying the shimmer a bit higher. So take it towards the end, like till where you have applied the eye shade. And in order to blend it, what you need to do is take the same brush with which you applied the brown and just blend it a little with the shimmer, not outwards, like inwards, so that not too much pressure, very light feathery hands. Okay, just apply it with the shimmer so that they're both like blended. That's it, nothing major. And this is how you apply your shimmer. On to the next step. Most people, I have seen it even online on YouTube, most people apply their eyeliner like they close their eye and they just pull it like this in order to make it easy. What they do is like they just start applying it. Okay, like this in the line of the eye. Now what this does is that when they open their eye, this is their eyeliner. Can you see the eyeliner? So the eye looks, rather than looking a bit like uplifted, the eye looks droopy and very sad. But what you need to do is, let me show you, take any, like you can take a credit card or anything. I'm just taking this, the mixing palette, so I'm just applying it. Just consider that your lower lash line, you're going to extend your lower lash line. Okay, but in order to do it like in a proper way, I'm just showing you that apply, just put this thing on under your eye, like underneath where you're going to apply your eyeliner, and just take it as a guide. Okay, just take it as a guide. And because you're going to keep your eyeliner like this towards the end of your eyebrow and towards your temples, what you're gonna do is take your lower lash line, like apply a little eyeliner there, and this is your guide. Just extend this line upwards like this. Okay, see, you've extended this line here. Now what you're going to do is, what you need to do now is take this line and join it to the upper lash line like this. Make a V. Okay, then fill this V. And can you see how nicely your eye is suddenly like lifted up? Okay, now I'm going to join it with the rest of my eye. Just keep a very thin line and bring it to the center, like so, sorry, to the inner corner. You see how nicely it is lifted and everything is like now compare both eyes, compare both of them. If I'm opening them like looking straight, this eyes look droopy and sad. And it is no eye shade is visible, and this eye looks like lifted, and it's like, giving that look. So now you're going to take the brush, the brush with which you applied the brown eye shade, and you're just going to take it. You can take a little eye shade if you want, and then you're going to just join it, like merge the eye shade with the lower lash line, okay? Because you already have a little eyeliner going down, so just take this and apply it on your lower lash line like this. That's about done. Now the next step is to take a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your concealer, as in the concealer that you use to highlight. So you're going to take that on your brush, like an angular brush. I'm taking an angular brush. You can take any like thin kind of brush that works. You can make strokes with that. So just applying it on the brush very thinly, like a very thin line. And all I'm going to do is to uplift my eye, I'm going to apply a line underneath my eyeliner like this, and then I'm going to apply the same with the same brush. I'm going to apply a line on the top of, like, do you see this eyebrow, the one that's going towards that arch? You're going to take your concealer, you're going to make a line towards the arch like this, okay? Remember, everything should be pointed like in this direction. Now you're going to take more concealer, and what you're going to do is apply really like inside, but really on the arch, like the same where you've applied that. Apply this on the inner side like this, very carefully, keeping it really near your brow, like really lifting your eyebrow, okay? And just this one is already there. Also apply it very little amount on the eye, underneath the eyebrow, but on the inner corner, like over here. All of them are pointed like on the towards your temple, remember. So this is a lip brush. I'm taking this and I'm just going to apply it, and try to just remember that when you're applying it, everything should be applied on the upper, like this direction. Like this. Like this, okay? Can you see this? There's a difference. Now take this one should also be applied in this direction, like take it on the upper towards your temples like this. This one also, you can do this like part before applying your eye shade as well. I'm just literally like pushing it towards the arch, and then this one. So do you see that? It has definitely given me that, like, all the edges are blended very nicely. The concealer is like, the eye has definitely, suddenly the eye is really like lifted, pointed towards the upside. The last step I would suggest that you do is you go ahead and curl your eyelashes. Like, if you don't, I will not curl my eyelash on over this side, and I will curl my eyelash on this side, and you can see the difference. I will not apply apply mascara, but you can just see the difference like this. Okay, now you can see suddenly my eyebrows are looking way more lifted, like eyelashes looking way more lifted over here than they're looking over here. Also, one last step, another last step, is adding a white pencil, a nude or a white pencil on the lower lash line like this. See, this is definitely going to make your eye look bigger and more open, and it will enhance your whole eye makeup look as well. So these are all the tips and tricks that I wanted to give you. You can clearly see the difference in both eyes, how nicely they're looking. Like, don't apply your things like this, like don't do all of this. And even if you apply a darker like black pencil here, I don't want to do that because I'm going to change this eye. But if you apply a darker like black pencil here, it is going to really shorten the eye as well. So do all of this and you can easily lift your eye and make it look a bit bigger. Like, you know how you can make your eyeshadow come a little out of your eye, like don't stop right here, take a little out, and then you can see the difference, that how you can just instantly uplift your whole eye makeup. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope this helped. If it did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. Please do comment below, and please do subscribe to my channel, as that definitely helps me a lot. And yes, with this I will end this video. I will see you in the next one very, very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you. What are you doing? Weird bubble.